Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great and you all are enjoying your lives to the fullest. My name is Mariam. I'm the cost and management accountant, and in this video, I'm going to solve the mystery, what is debit and credit? Well, when I was in my university, I used to connect the concept of debit with the concept of debit card and the concept of credit with the concept of credit card. Please don't laugh at me. I know it was funny. So let's just get to the point right away. Let me just write the elements of financial statements. Well, there are 5 elements of financial statements, including the assets, the liabilities, the capital. I hear you say incomes and expenses. Well, right. So these are the elements of financial statements, and I've heard so many students saying that the increase in assets is debit and the increase in liabilities is credit. Well, this is not the correct definition of what is debit and credit. Let me just get you through a story so that you get to know what the debit and credit are. Well, when we say A, somebody who invented the alphabets called this kind of signature or this kind of sign as A. Whenever we see any signature like this, we call it A. Well, the A itself has no meaning, and we all know that. In the same way, the person who invented accounting invented these 2 terms as well. Well, they have no meanings in themselves, but they are just the notions. They are just the notions to show an increase or decrease in the elements of financial statements. Well, I hope you got it right. Well, they have no meanings in themselves, but they are just the notions. Like this A is a notion to tell that it's A. It have no meaning in itself because somebody called it A, we call it A, right? So in the same manner, the person who invented the accounting invented these 2 terms and used them as the notions to show an increase or decrease in the elements of financial statements. This is not the definition that the increase in asset is debit and the increase in liability is credit. Well, this is not the definition. The definition of what is debit and credit is that they are just the notions to show an increase or decrease in the elements of financial statements while they contain no meaning in themselves. I hope you got it right. This was one of the things that I considered telling you because I myself learned it from the highly professional teacher. Well, not everybody knows this. So whenever you have to tell anyone or you have to tell the interviewer or your teacher, tell them that this is just a notion. They have no meaning in themselves. Yes, they will be impressed. Let me know if you like my teaching style in the comments below, and if you have any problems regarding any concept of accounting, let me know in the comments again. I'll address your problems in my videos. You need to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to bring so many videos on the subject of accounting. So stay tuned for more interesting videos. Goodbye.